Hi guys, this is Miriam. Today I'm so excited to do this tutorial because we are bringing Hollywood glam to life. So, Golden Globes happened. I particularly loved Lady Gaga's look. She gave some Ice Queen vibes with her Cinderella-esque look. I'm going to try recreating the Lady Gaga look. Let's dive in. This look is really intense. To make the eyeshadow pop more and last longer, I'll be using I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. And as usual, I'll be using my finger to blend it out. Next step is the long-lasting eye pencil in Black Fever. I'll create a liner first and then I'll smudge it out. Then I'll smudge out the liner. The remaining color on the brush, I'll be smudging it out on the crease. Let's do the same on the other eye and smudge it out. Let's apply some eyeshadow. I'll be using Melted Chrome in the color Lead Me. To really enhance the color, use a flat brush. I'll apply it on the whole lid. I'm swiping in the inner corner. When I get into the middle and outer corner, I'll be tapping. I'll just tap the axis across my crease line. This looks hella good. To give off that really intense look Lady Gaga has, we need to define the lower lash line. So what I'll be doing is going from outer corner into the middle and smudge it out. I'll be using an angle brush. Next, I'll be smudging out the lower lash line with the same chrome color. To give off a very silver vibe, I really want to use this long-lasting silver liner. I'll be using it in the inner corner and waterline. I pop on these lashes and I did cut just a little bit off to give it more of a wing line effect like Lady Gaga, very cat eye. Next up is Lash Princess Mascara. Lady Gaga kept her eyebrows very bold and I'm gonna do the same. I'll be using Eyebrow Stylist Set. I will be using the darker one because Lady Gaga has a looks like a dark brown color. I'm going to create a more definition and shape. To set my brows, I'll be using Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. This is in the shade Brownie Brows. So I've already done my base and my contour, but I do need to recreate a more cool tone complexion to recreate Lady Gaga's look. The first thing I'll be using is Matte Touch Blush in the shade Bury Me Up. So this blush makes my skin look very healthy and fresh. Finally, it's time for some glow and I'll be using this beautiful highlighter palette. These two shades gives off the perfect silver glow with a touch of pink. I'll be using a little bit of both, starting on my cheekbone and on the brow bone. I'm gonna finish off with Melted Chrome. This will give me an icy pop. The last step is Dewy Glossy Lips. I'll be using Color Boost Liquid Lipstick in shade 02. And I'll top it up with this lip gloss. And we're done. So this is my version of Lady Gaga's Golden Globes makeup look. Silver smoky eye, nude lips, and glowing skin. What was your favorite look on the red carpet? Please comment below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button for more makeup inspiration. I'll see you next time.